How do you turn on or off dividend reinvesting on the Cash App? Let's get into it. Sup, I'm your host Elijah, and we talk about apps that involve money on this channel. Let's go ahead and start off by opening the Cash App up. Then click on the icon in the bottom left hand of the screen. This will take you to where you can invest in stocks. Click on stocks and click on the dots at the top right hand corner. You'll now see where it says dividend reinvesting. Click on it. Click continue, and you'll see the box where it says reinvest dividends. If you would like to keep them off, then make sure it's toggled off. If you would like to turn this feature on, click it on. This will tell Cash App that any dividends you get from your stocks, you want to automatically reinvest it into the stock that's paying the dividend. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you need help investing in Cash App in general and you want to know the different features, you'll want to check this video out that's on the screen right now. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. Now get out there and take control of your financial destiny.